Hello children, always remember and see this picture also. The man is filling the fuel CNG. What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. It saves, as far as possible, it controls pollution. Our environment is sensitive. That is why pollution has destructive effects on it. These effects are harmful for all living things, including us. It is very necessary to prevent pollution. In olden days or in these modern times, we use cars, ships and aeroplanes that run on fuel. In the olden days, ships did not use such engines. They had sails which helped to use the force of the wind. They were called sailing ships. In those days, people traveled all over the world on these ships. That means such ships helped to save fuel. No fuels were used. See this picture, children. The boy is riding bicycle. Then what are the advantages of using a bicycle? Let us see. First one is it helps to do a lot of physical exercise. Less crowding of vehicles on the streets. It saves money, means we need not use any fuel. Can be stored in a small space. It saves time. Self-reliance. And you are free to go anywhere. Children can also ride bicycle. No need of any license and other things. Small loads can also be carried. Does not cause pollution because we don't use any fuel here. So as far as from our point of view, and children always use bicycle whenever you cover a short distance, that means up to 1 or 2 kilometers. Okay. Then what is the solution? Rohan and Sania always walk to school. Their school is 30 minutes away from their house. There is a cultural function at their school today. Their grandmother will accompany them to the function. Means she is ready to attend the function. But she gets tired easily because of her age. Which of the options listed below would you suggest for taking her to school? Walking, auto rickshaw, bus, scooter, car. 30 minutes away from their house. So, it's better to use, as far as possible, grandmother use car or auto rickshaw. What we have learned? In this lesson, we have learned the beneficial and harmful effects of transportation. Second one, judicious use of means of transport. How should we use properly? The danger to nature due to pollution caused by various means of transport. Remedies for various types of pollution. What are the remedies for various types of pollution? We have to learn. Okay. In the next video, I am going to upload the answers to the textual questions.